So y'all, it is 5 a.m. and my kid's bathroom was not clean. So of course I had to go in there and clean it before they wake. If I wake them up at 6 a.m., y'all, their bathroom was not clean at all. I took over cleaning the bathroom because I have daughters and I don't like the way my kids clean my bathroom. Like it don't be smelling good. But y'all, as y'all can see, I'm spraying everything down with disinfectant spray. I sprayed the sink down. I sprayed the toilet down. Now I'm spraying the tub. Yes, my daughter sit in the tub, so yes, I give it that extra clean. Cause you know they girls, you got to make sure that area is clean. I started with cleaning the sink first. I always cleaning my sink first with hot scalding water. Y'all can see I made that hot scalding water because if it ain't hot scalding, baby, it ain't clean. Next, I went in and I scrubbed the tub. I had a lot of soaps come in their tub, so I make sure I scrub. I normally use Comet, but I didn't have none, so I had to go in with the disinfectant spray and a Dawn and try to do the best I could with the washcloth. The last thing I do is clean my toilet because the toilet is the most dirtiest area in the bathroom and carries the most germs because of urine and feces. So of course I clean that last, and yes, I do use the same towel. I ain't changing the towel up like I used to. I use the same towel, but I keep dipping that towel as I wash each and every area of his bathroom. You're not gonna see me do that, but I do keep dipping it in that hot scalding water I got over there in the sink, and I wipe every piece of the toilet off because I have sons. You know, when sons go to the bathroom, y'all, they don't be caring. They can't aim for nothing. But this is how my bathroom came out, y'all. It smells amazing. I love the way it smells. I love the way it came out. It looks so clean. And this is my sink area. It looks so clean and organized. I love it. My hand soap, toothbrush, toothpastes, and this is the full body. Quick